Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to generate an AI portrait picture of yourself, just like this one you are watching on my mobile device, or something like this one, or this one, or this one. I'm going to show you the original picture of this so you can see how it looks like, and of course you can definitely generate any kind of picture you have of yourself as long as it show your face. Then you are going to be able to use this AI to be able to generate or convert your original picture to this beautiful AI image using your mobile phone. So what you're gonna do is just head up to your mobile browser. I'm currently on Chrome browser. So I'm using Chrome browser. Let me see. So head up to Instant Portrait, or just search for Instant Portrait app. So you can see Instant Portrait app. You can go through their website or through the Google Play Store, but I actually prefer going through this particular page. And if you are using an Android or iPhone, you can definitely select which one you are using. So if you are using Android device, I'm currently on Android device, so I would select get it on Google Play. And if you are using an iOS, you can click on download on the Apple App Store. So depend on what device you're actually using. So the next thing for you to do is just to click on the device you're using. So I'm running on Android device, so you can see it will direct me to the particular app, and you can see Instant Portrait AI art. So basically I already have this app before. I'm gonna uninstall this app. I'm gonna install it again, just like I'm a new user to this particular app. So the next thing for me to do is just click on the install options. Then the app will download right now. So the app cost 14, let's say 15 megabytes, like, yeah, 15 megabytes. So the next thing for me to do is click on open once the app is done installing on my phone. So I'm waiting for that to done. Okay, now the app is done. And before you proceed on to this app contains ads inside of this, and that is the way the creator of that particular app are gonna be able to make money using this for us to be able to use the app successfully. So they're gonna get something in return. Let me say that. The next thing for you to do is just click on open option, and then you can see the app is already opening. And let's wait. And on this particular page, you can select your gender if you are a female and if you are a male. And you can see faces for female, and you can see faces for male. So depend on your gender, you can also select the kind of pictures you actually want to create. You can see this first one, that's a corporate, like a corporate picture, and you can see this one as well. There are different options. You can actually navigate from one section to another, and your picture would definitely look the same, just like this. So for the male, you can see how it looks like. You can see different faces, and this particular one, you see I saw you in the picture, and you can see this particular one as well, and that picture that I made. And then so the next thing for you to do is just click on the picture you actually want to use. Then you grant permission to this app to have access to your phone camera. So let me click on that. So only this time. You can also choose why using this app, so it's left to you. And if you click on don't allow, that means you won't be able to select picture from your device. So the next thing for you to do is just click on the best one, but me, I actually like only this time. So then it will grant it. Then you can see take picture. You can see flip camera. You can also see camera roll. So I would like to select camera roll. So if you have save vibes, you see set the pictures from camera roll, something like that. Okay, hello. So let me click on camera roll. I'm gonna blur my camera roll, so because of some pictures I actually have on my phone. So let me click on allow. Then you see choose image from camera roll. Yeah. Then it's gonna load all your pictures. You can see. So let me click on album. Then I'll be able to select the pictures that I want. Okay. So I already selected the picture I want to use for this particular video. to generate through AI, and that's the same picture I actually used in the first place. So let's wait for it to load. Then you're gonna see how the picture looks like. So let's keep waiting, and then we're going to see the picture, and I can also minimize from this particular page so you can be able to see how the picture looks like. So let me try to minimize to that particular picture so you can see how the picture looks like and how the AI generated the picture. Okay, so this is the original picture of their AI, which I selected on that AI app. So you can see how the picture looks like. Okay, so that's how the picture looks like. So let me go back to the app. So you can see the result of that particular of that picture, and you can also swipe uh left to see some other AI generated picture. You can also see this particular as well. So this is actually nice. This is also nice. You can click on save here, and the picture will save. And you can also save this one. It's kind of like very easy to save the picture. So I can also save this one too. And see. Okay, so let me go back, and you can see how it's like there are different options that I can actually select from this section. And another thing I would also like to know is that on that female section, you can also choose another gender, which is male. So let me try it on this particular one, and let's see how it looks like. So it's gonna generate for that one. And like I said earlier on, I told you that there will be a pop-up ads or ads like that on the app. So you can see this is actually the ad. And of course, if you are interested in the ads that pops up, probably make money online and some money and all sort of that, so you can just do that. So you can see the results. This is literally amazing, like it's really amazing. So you can also see another one. This is actually funny. If I show this to my guy, you'll be laughing. So you can see another one. This is so sleek. So this is how you can generate the pictures using instant portrait. So and the result is actually amazing. Let me try to save this. It's awesome. Let me try to save this as well. This is awesome. At the end of this video, if I had to conclude, so I feel like the real you is actually amazing. You're beautiful inside, but just for the sake of yeah, sake of just some catching some fun and all that, here AI is actually amazing. But then I think the real you is actually beautiful, more than using an AI to convert your picture. So that's just it. And if you have any question regarding the video, you can let me know through the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to reply to your request and also guide you through if you have any difficulties. And also, if you are using an Apple device or an iPhone and you would like me to make a video about how to use it on your iPhone device as well, you can let me know through the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to make the video so you will be able to do it on your own. So, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It really means a lot to us. And then hope to see you in the next one. Peace.